on our way to Monasterio de Tarlac, and we're about maybe an hour out from it, just here in Tarlac City. Be a really interesting visit, so follow me along in this adventure. Actually fueling up right now with Kuya Bert. This is where I'm going, Monasterio de Tarlac, and I had to stop here and get this sign before I went up there. And you see a pretty countryside along the way. See that little water bowl? Well, actually it's a pretty good size over there. Very beautiful. Countryside here is just amazing. Just take a look at it. Actually put along the way here on the road. It's very similar to what they do in Cambodia when I was over there. But look at the countryside. How pretty it is. Wow. And we're heading up that way. Alright, Kuya Bert. We're on our way. The Rising Christ community welcomes you here. Far away from now.
Ano ba ito?
50 ba sa sasakyan po? 50.
50, 70.
50 lang po, sasakyan lang sir.
Sasakyan lang. Oh.
Thank you sir.
Baka po makapunta po kayo sa resto po namin sa taas, sir. Meron po kami special go to Paris Mami Overload dyan, sir. Sa may mga nakapulang kumakaway lang po. Thank you po.
Asaludoy ko sila.
To the Monasterio de Tarlac, and I thought I'd start right here and do a really good tour and begin my little tour over here at the Rising Christ side. So very clean here. There's Kuya Bert. Come right to it.
Dala mo! Ulot!
So a little bit of history right here. It was founded by a Catholic priest, Ronald Thomas Archie. And I'm not going to read the whole thing, but gives you a good rundown on it right here. Okay, this is the church. Go inside. This is the candle room. Prayer for lighting a candle. Lord, may this candle be a light for you to enlighten me in my difficult decisions, and may it be a fire for you to purify me from all pride and selfishness. Some more surrounding areas here. Found them right there. It's just like a little sitting room here. Nobody's here except me. Very, very quiet. Let's see what's back here. I think it's oh, there's Mama Mary right there. And gotta get a better view over here. See where the road that I came up on, right down there. It's back here. Not sure what this is, but certainly looks old, doesn't it? Wow, look at this. Going over here. Yeah, I got some goats over there. I don't think I'm going to go any farther than this. Go down here. I've actually seen everything here. Get a better look at this view over here. Pretty a tour. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to go any farther here. Just gonna stop and enjoy the beauty. So this is the end of this video of my little journey here. Really been an enlightening place to visit here in the Philippines. And if you have the opportunity to come up here and visit, I would highly recommend it. It's a very serene and tranquil place, and just by looking at the countryside, so beautiful. And if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video from the beautiful Philippines later.